Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we'll be solving the problem number 6 in exercise number 1.4. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous exercise problems. Do check it out, it will be helpful for you. The video link is in the description box below. Now we can see the questions. Number 6. Let A equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal capital N. Let F colon A tends to B be defined by f of x is equal x cube. Then find the range of f. Identify the type of function. Let me explain this question. Here A is given. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B also given. B is N. N represents natural numbers. Natural numbers will be starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. So here function is provided. Function is called function colon A tends to B. Defined by the formula also given, that is f of x is equal to x cube. What we have to find out? We have to find out two things. One is find the range of f. Already we had discussed about this range concept in previous videos. In one of my previous videos, do check out the description box. The video link is there. So you will be able to know the concept of range. And now, second one, you have to find out the type of the function, whether it is one-to-one function or onto function or into function. This is all about the question. Now we can see the answer. Now for the solution, I have written all the given data. What is given in the question? A is given. A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B also given, that is n. N represents the natural numbers. So and a function is given A tends to B and the formula is given f of x is equal to x cube. So now what we have to find out? We need to find out the range. First, range of f. So we are going to find out the range. We can easily find out the range. Range means the second set of elements, but that should have the relation, right? The second set of the element, but that should have the relation. That is called range, right? We already discussed about this range concept in previous videos. Do check out the description box. The link is there. Now we are going to apply the value of a 1, 2, 3, 4 one by one in place of x. Okay, in place of x we are going to apply 1 first and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. Okay, now we can check out how we can check out. Here f of x is equal to x cube, right? So here we are going to apply x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So what would be the answer? F of 1 equal to 1 cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1, right? And then f of 2. F of 2 means 2 cube. 2 cube listens 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. And then f of 3. What is f of 3? F of 3 means 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. And next f of 4. F of 4, what would be the answer for f of 4? Is f4 cube, right? Then 4 into 4 into 4. What would be the answer for 4 into 4 into 4? 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4. 16 into 4, what would be the answer? 64. 64, right? So these are the Answer, these are all the answers of range. These are all the answers for range. So what will be the answer? What is the answer? We have to write instead of the Z bracket. So answer is 1, 8, 27, 64. This is the answer of range, right? This is the answer of range. Next. And next, what is the question? Next question is we need to find out the type of the function. We have to check out the type of a function, type of the function. For that, we have to, if you draw the arrow diagram, diagram, you'll be able to find out the type of the function. For that, we can, for the second question, we need to find out the type of function, right? What are the types of the function? One-to-one function, onto function, into function. One-to-one means if we consider two sets, the first elements of first set should have the relation. Okay, in first set, all the elements should be mapped with other elements of other sets. If it is that such kind of set is known as one-to-one relation. Okay, one-to-one function. And onto function means second set, the direct opposite of one-to-one. In onto function, in second set of elements of second set, all the elements of second set should be mapped with another element, another set. Okay, should all the elements of second set should be mapped. That is onto function. What is into function? Into function means second set of elements, at least one element in the second set is not mapped, then it is not, the function is known as into function. Okay, in second set, at least if any one element is not mapped by another element, then it is known as into function. Okay, into function. So we can check out whether this function is one-to-one or onto or into function. Okay, for that, by drawing arrow diagram, we'll be able to find out that. Now we can draw, draw the arrow diagram. We have the A set and B set, right? This is A and this is B. So now we are going to check whether this function is this type or this type or this type. So here we have in A set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And B also, what is given in B also, this natural number is given, right? This B is equal to n. So n means it's starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So B also, the value elements of B would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go like this. But what would be the relation? We have to relate this element with this element, right? For that, what is given, f of x is given. Accordingly, according to the f of x, we found that this relation, right? 1 to 8. The input is 1, the output is 1. The input is 2, output is 2. And input is 3, output is 27. Input is 4 and output is 64. So we have to map like this. Now we can map the elements. So here I have mapped 1 with 1, 2 with 8, and here 3 should be mapped with 27, 4 should be mapped with 64. Okay, we have to link the element like this, but this number is big, so I'm writing till 8 only. So this is the relation, right? So here whatever, but in 3 also, if you are relating 3, we should map with 27, right? So in A elements, all the elements are mapping with other element, right? All the elements are mapping with another element. So it is this function is one-to-one function, right? This function is one-to-one function. And onto function means second element, all the elements in second set should be mapped, right? Here it is not mapped, only a few numbers only mapped with other elements like 1 and 2, 1 and 8 and goes on. But here 2, 3, 4, 5, these all the elements are not mapped. So this is not onto function. Okay. First one, what is this is a one-to-one function, that is correct, and but not onto function. But we need to check into function. Into function mean in second set all the elements in this second set, if at least one element is not mapped, then this function is known as into function, right? So this in this scenario, this function is into function, right? Into function. So here we have identified the type of the function. This function is we have to write the answer like this function is one-to-one function. Why? Because all the elements in the first set A is mapped with another element of the another set. So it is called as one-to-one function. And onto function. This is not onto function. Why? Because all the elements in second set is not mapped. So this is not onto function. And this function is into function. Why? Because all, at least in the second set, some elements are not mapped. So it is called as into function. These are all about the, we have found the answers. These are all about this problem number 6. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye, take care. Thanks for listening.